Hi everybody. Today I want to explain one interesting strategy that is called ratio spread strategy, which you can use with the put options and also call option. TCS earnings are around the corner. I want to explain how you can use call options of TCS to formulate this strategy. Without wasting much time, let's get into the strategy. So TCS currently trading at 3241 and results are due on 12th April. So I'm shooting this video on 5th April. So that means exactly 1 week time is there. And the lot size of TCS is 300. So how can you form a ratio spread strategy? I'm going for 2 is to 3 ratio spread strategy. What is the 2 is to 3 ratio spread strategy here? I'm going to buy 2 lots of call options and I'm going to sell 3 lots of call options which are little bit more out of the money. So for example, in this case, if you see TCS it trading at 3241, 3300 call is trading at 88. So I'm going to buy 2 lots of call options. So 2 into 2 multiplied by 88 multiplied by 300. That will be the total premium required which I need to pay because I am buying the call options. Similarly, when you talk about selling 3 call options, which is my credit, I am going to receive the premium. So 3 multiplied by 69 into multiplied by 300. So because 300 is the lot size. So effectively, initially you are starting with the credit of 90, 300. So now we need to understand what is the profitable scenario and what are the loss making scenario where you are going to have the maximum profit in this scenario. In case if it closes anywhere below 3300, the first scenario what I want to explain is in case if TCS closes the expiry any price less than 3300, what is going to happen? All the options will be worthless. All of them will become zero. That means whatever may be the initial credit, that will be your profit. So 9300 will be the profit in case if the closure is less than 3300. The other thing I want to explain is in case if it closes somewhere around 3350. If it closes at 3350, what is going to happen? Initially, you have 9300 as your credit. Apart from that, what is going to happen? The value of the 3300 strike call option will be how much? There are 2 lots we are talking about. Both the options will be having a value of 50 because we are talking about 3300 strike price multiplied by 300. So that means effectively, if you see here, the maximum profit you can have at 3350, how much that will be? 39,300. In case if it goes up above 3350, two buy positions will take care of the two sell positions which are also starting to have some value above 3350. The third position can give you loss in case if there is a very significant movement. When that movement is going to give you loss till 3481, there is no loss for you because what is the advantage here? If it closing at 3350, you are at a profit of 39,300. So even when the third option is going to, even the third call sell position starting to gain some value, it need to attain at least 39,300. So that after that only the third call option is going to give you loss because the two buy positions are taking care of the two sell positions. The only issue is the third position. But why should you go for this kind of strategy in case if you know that after a certain point of time there will be a loss? Because TCS has already run up significantly, even the results are good. Generally, what will happen? Companies like TCS, before the results they run up, post results generally they consolidate. Of course, sometimes if the results are exceptionally above the street estimate, there is a chance that it may go further high. That means 240 points away is my last starting point. Quite a safe strategy if you see historically kind of movement TCS have post the event. Of course, every time there can be new thing happen in markets. There could be a scenario it may go up significantly post result, and there could be chances that you may lose some money. So that risk will be always there. So this is based on my study and my understanding, and you need to consult your financial advisor in order to take your position. So don't go without understanding fully the risk and reward. In order to understand the risk and reward, I also want to to the payoff diagram so that you will be in a better position to understand how this looks. Okay, if you see the payoff diagram, like I mentioned, any price below 3300, irrespective where it goes, your profit is little bit less than 10,000. Like I mentioned, it is around 9300. That will be the profit, and the maximum profit, like I mentioned, is it is exactly at a 3350. We are going to have the maximum profit. In case if it starts going up even further, you can see the profit is reducing, and around 3481 somewhere here it will reach the break even point, which will be having zero profit, zero loss. After that your loss will be increasing significantly. So in case if it goes up beyond this point, then you have to adjust your position either by closing or taking some other option or by waiting. It's up to you, depending on how you want to manage the trade. You can go for this strategy. So this is the brief on the ratio spread strategy using the call option. Hope you like my strategy. In case if you like my strategy, please subscribe and follow my channel so that you are going to get more and more strategies related to options of Nifty, Bank Nifty and various stock options. Thanks a lot for watching.